minister is purely an internal matter of the BJP, and it's the prerogative of the chief minister to appoint or to remove. But the manner in which he has been dismissed, only the chief minister can explain ते कित्याक dismiss केला तो. चोय थोडे फावटी सरकार CM सांगता मिनिस्टराक तूं रिजायन जाव म्हूण हें सद्या कितें जालां म्हाका दिसता तेगे रेजिग्नेशन ना कित्याक डायरेक्टली ऑन द रेकमेंडेशन ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर गव्हर्नर ताका डिसमीस केलो म्हणलो एक डिसमिसल. सो द क्वेश्चन नाव लोकांच्या मनान कित्याक डिसमीस केला. आयदर he was corrupt or non-performing or कोणाक रागार केलो तेणें or did he speak the truth which hurt, and so BJP could not see him standing there in the government and